Every scale tells a story, from raw, wild skins to this perfect luxury, the texture, the shine, the craftsmanship. This isn't just leather, this is art you can wear. Dawn breaks over a quiet factory. A lone truck arrives, carrying materials that will soon transform. The day begins in silence. The crates open slowly. Inside lie folded, salted snakeskins, raw and rigid, waiting for the hands that will shape them. Each scale tells a story. Cracks, salt crystals, tiny imperfections, nature's pattern preserved in stillness. Skins are arranged by type, neat rows of repeating forms. Order brings clarity to the chaos of nature. A single skin stretches across the table, revealing its full length. Every irregular edge, every scale exposed. Hands trace the surface, noting scars, tears, weak spots. Only the strongest skins move forward. Numbers define the next step. Each skin is weighed, measured, and labeled, its potential carefully recorded. The skins sink into water, stiff fibers softening slowly. Time and liquid begin their quiet work. Inside the drum, skins tumble gently. Stiffness gives way to flexibility as the first transformation begins. Mechanical rollers remove residual tissue with precision. Every pass cleans, every motion matters. The drums rotate endlessly, water foaming and draining. Cleanliness is methodical, continuous, exact. Acid-full baths tighten the scales, preparing the leather for durability. Nature yields to chemistry. Green liquid spins slowly in massive drums. The skins begin their irreversible transformation into leather. Hands measure, pour, and adjust. Each chemical decision shapes how the leather will last for years to come. Skins stretch on frame, scale side out. Warm air circulates slowly, preserving texture while removing moisture. Mechanical arms strike rhythmically. Dried skins soften gradually, their rigidity giving way to supple flexibility. Deep blacks and rich browns seep into every scale. Color flows slowly, emphasizing every texture and pattern. Buffing wheels glide over the surface. Subtle sheen emerges, reflecting care and quiet refinement. Paper patterns meet the leather. Hands align scales, ensuring symmetry, preparing the material for perfection. Blades slice with careful deliberation. Each panel is cut exactly, precision above all else. Panels form a puzzle on the work table. Order emerges from fragments, a vision taking shape. Needles pierce between scales, binding pieces together. Rhythm and precision guide every motion. Soft linings meet exotic leather. Hands smooth, align, and integrate the interior with deliberate care. Edges are trimmed, painted, sealed. Small details define quality. Nothing is left to chance. Under bright light, the jacket is examined. Seams, symmetry, and texture are scrutinized. Only perfection passes. Oils are massaged slowly into the leather. Flexibility, shine, and life return to the finished material. The jacket is placed on a rotating mannequin. Every angle reveals the quiet luxury of patient craftsmanship. Extreme close-ups reveal scales, stitching, and texture. Light glides over the surface, telling the story of meticulous work. Centered against a neutral background, the jacket stands complete. A single image, quiet, final, ready for the world.